In this lecture we're going to be talking about models of learning. The first model is active learning. Are you looking for ways to engage your students and create a more dynamic learning environment? Active learning may be the answer. Active learning is a teaching method involving students actively participating in the learning process through discussions, problem solving and hands-on projects. Research has shown that active learning can effectively increase students' engagement, improve academic performance and enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills. So you're probably asking, how can teachers incorporate active learning into their classroom? Here are some ideas. The first one is encourage students to participate. So encourage the students to ask questions, share their ideas and contribute to a general discussion. This can then help to create a more interactive, engaging learning environment. The next one is use hands-on activities. So incorporate hands-on activities such as experiments, projects and simulations into your lessons. This can really help make abstract concepts more concrete and allow students to apply their knowledge practically. You could also foster group work, so encourage students to work together in small groups to solve problems or complete a project. And try to encourage group work, because this can help foster collaboration and communication skills and provide opportunities for students to really learn from one another. Try to also encourage students' choice, so give students some control over their learning by allowing them to choose how they will demonstrate their understanding of a concept or idea. This can be done through a traditional written assignment, a presentation or a creative project. But by incorporating active learning techniques into your lessons, you can really create a more dynamic and engaging learning environment for your students. But as always, please feel free to experiment with different approaches and find what works best for your classroom. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can really make your lessons more interactive and meaningful for your students. The next model is cooperative learning. So cooperative learning is a teaching method that involves students working together in small groups to achieve a common goal. Research has shown that cooperative learning can improve academic performance, increase those social skills and self-esteem, and enhance problem solving and critical thinking skills. So, how can teachers incorporate cooperative learning into their classroom? Here are some tips again. The first tip is establish clear goals and expectations for the group. Number 2, each group member should understand their role and what is expected of them. Number 3, create an inclusive and supportive environment. Number 4, encourage students to work together, support one another and provide plenty of opportunity to practice their social skills. And as a teacher, provide that structure and support to the groups. And this can be done by providing a specific task or problem for the group or offering guidance and support as needed. Make sure you give the students opportunity to reflect on their learning and the group's progress. This can really help students understand their learning and their role within the group. By following these tips, teachers can effectively incorporate cooperative learning into their classroom and help their students succeed. But all you can do is try, so feel free to try different techniques and approaches to find what works best for your students and your classroom. But remember, with a little bit of planning and effort, cooperative learning can be a valuable tool for teaching and learning.